Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I will show you how to center something perfectly in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document and we can see here we center something like picture or shapes or text box. Now we insert a shapes in this document. Go to the insert menu, then click shapes drop down menu, and we can see here many shapes. We find and select any shapes. Now I select the circle hollow, then draw it. Now we can see here we draw a circle hollow, then click the circle hollow and go to the format menu. Then we can see here many options. We find and select the align option, then align center. Now we can see here we align center something perfectly. You can change the shape color, click the shape fill and apply another color or apply some shape style, like click the shape style drop down menu and choose any style. Now we can see here we center something very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.